Do you suffer from achy knees? I know many people do, myself included, but I found a blend of essential oils that works super well at soothing that achy, throbby knee discomfort. And today, I'm going to share it with you. Hello, my name is Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use your essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on your shelf. So this blend is called the Wonky Knee Blend, because I kind of got wonky knees, but this really does help. So I'm going to start with a Rollerball. It's empty, and I've got 8 different oils I'm going to put into this blend. We're going to start with Deep Blue. This is the Soothing Blend from doTERRA. It is wonderful. For any type of discomfort. It's called the Soothing Blend. It soothes. It's got anti-inflammatory oils, analgesic oils in it, and works really, really well. Then we had 8 drops of the Deep Blue, 6 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is the king of oil. It's good for everything. It's got anti-inflammatory properties, analgesic properties. It helps with just about anything. It also is one of these oils that works to make other oils work better. So it potentiates, I guess it would be a good way to put that. So that's an oil that I add. Marjoram is a wonderful oil for pain. It is a vasodilator, it's antispasmodic, it soothes and it comforts. I use it in different recipes for discomfort. We're going to add 6 drops of that. Lemongrass is amazing for joint and tendon, ligament type discomforts. It is anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, analgesic. This is a wonderful oil. It adds a lot. We're going to add 6 drops of that. It also smells wonderful. Then we're going to go to Copaiba or Copaiba. This is a anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, analgesic oil. It is wonderful. It works with different receptors throughout your entire body, but it also works localized on pain. I will sometimes just use this alone, diluted on my knee for pain. I use it for headaches too. We're going to use 5 drops of that in here. Black pepper helps to dilate your blood vessels. It's antispasmodic. It's good for circulation. It helps to get everything moving around in there. Get that oil, all the oils to where they need to be. So 5 drops of that. If you get 1 or 2 extra, it's okay. It's not rocket science here. Next oil is Cypress. This is for circulation. Great for helping move fluid around. A lot of times you got swelling in your knees, so you got a little extra fluid. It helps to decrease that. It's also anti-rheumatic, it works on inflammation. So 4 drops of that. I think I got an extra one, but that's okay. And then Tumeric. Turmeric is a wonderful anti-inflammatory oil, and it increases circulation. So we're going to get double benefits out of this. 4 drops of that. You notice some of the oils are thicker than others. It's just the chemistry in them, and they're qualities. So you got to be careful. Some come out really fast, some go really slow, but that's okay. Then we're going to take fractionated coconut oil. You can use any type of carrier oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil. But I like the fractionated coconut oil. They take the smells and the solids out of the oil, and it absorbs really well into your skin, doesn't have any fragrance, and it's not greasy. So we will fill that up. We will add a rollerball, push that on. You can also just screw it on with the cap. Mix her up, and you have your Wonky knee blend. Make sure you label it. I try to label it with the recipe on it. So I've got my recipe on here, so I know exactly what's in here when I need to refill it. And I oftentimes cover this with a clear packing tape, just because any oil running down makes it so you can't read it. And then it's like, okay, what did I put in there? I like to know what's in my bottles. So now I have a Wonky knee blend. You can roll it on directly on my sore knee, on the front, on the sides, on the back, and rub it in. I'm going to wash my hands afterwards because a couple of these oils are a little warmer if you get them in. You don't want to get them in your eyes. So wash your hands after rubbing it in, or you don't have to rub it in. Just roll it on. It'll absorb. And you can do this several times a day. I usually start morning and nighttime, but sometimes I need it at noontime too. You can do it as often as every half hour. Watch how your skin reacts. If your skin starts getting a little sensitive, cut back on how often you use it or dilute it more. Thanks for joining me. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf.